Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. This is Sophia.
And I am David. We are so happy you are here with us today.
You know what, David? I have a question for our listeners today. Are you ready to hear it?
Yes, let's hear this question.
Okay, here it is. Have you ever felt like learning English is too difficult? Like maybe you cannot do it?
That is such an important question, Sophia. I think many people feel this way sometimes.
Absolutely. And I want to tell everyone listening right now something very important. You can learn English. Yes, you, the person listening to this right now.
Sophia is completely right. Every person who speaks English fluently today was once a beginner just like you.
Exactly. They started with zero English. They made mistakes, they felt confused sometimes, but they kept going, and now they speak English.
And you know what the secret is? It is not about being smart or talented. It's about practice and patience. So today, we are going to practice together. We will listen to a natural conversation, we will learn new words, we will practice pronunciation, and we will have fun doing it.
And remember, every minute you spend listening to English is making you better. Even if you do not feel it right now, your brain is learning.
So let's start with our conversation for today. Just listen first. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just try to understand the main idea.
Ready? Here we go.
Hey, Emily, I have been thinking about getting a new hobby. Do you have any suggestions?
Oh, that sounds exciting. What kind of activities do you enjoy?
Well, I like being outdoors. I also enjoy meeting new people, but I do not want anything too expensive.
Have you thought about joining a local sports club? Many communities have free or cheap options.
That is a good idea. What sports would you recommend for a beginner?
Maybe try walking groups or cycling clubs. They're usually very welcoming to new members. Plus, you can go at your own pace.
I like that. Walking sounds perfect, actually. I can start slow and build up my fitness.
Exactly. And you know what else is great? You'll discover new places in your city or town.
That is true. I've lived here for 5 years, but I still don't know all the parks and trails.
See? Perfect. You get exercise, fresh air, social time, and you explore your area, all for free.
You have convinced me. I will look for a walking group this weekend.
Wonderful. Let me know how it goes. I might join you sometime.
That would be great. We can practice our English while we walk.
Now that is multitasking at its best.
Okay, so that was our conversation. Now let's look at some important words and phrases from it.
Yes, we will explain each word and show you how to use it. Let's start with the first word, hobby.
Hobby. A hobby is an activity you do for fun in your free time. It is not work. It is something you enjoy.
Right. In our conversation, David said, I have been thinking about getting a new hobby.
Here are more examples. My hobby is reading books. Her hobby is painting. What is your hobby?
Good examples. Next word is outdoors.
Outdoors. This means outside, not inside a building, in nature or in the open air.
David said, I like being outdoors. That means he enjoys being outside.
Examples. I love eating outdoors in summer. She prefers working outdoors instead of in an office. Let's go outdoors and play.
Great. Next word is expensive.
Expensive. When something is expensive, it costs a lot of money. The opposite is cheap.
David said, I do not want anything too expensive. He wants to save money.
Examples. That car is very expensive. These shoes are too expensive for me. Is this restaurant expensive?
Next word is recommend.
Recommend. To recommend something means to suggest something because you think it is good. You tell someone they should try it.
David asked, what sports would you recommend for a beginner?
Examples. I recommend this book. It is excellent. Can you recommend a good doctor? My teacher recommends studying 1 hour every day.
Excellent. Next is beginner.
Beginner. A beginner is someone who is just starting to learn or do something. They are new at it.
If you are listening to this podcast, you might be a beginner in English, and that is wonderful.
Examples. This class is for beginners only. I am a beginner at cooking. She is not a beginner anymore. She has been playing piano for 3 years.
Next word is welcoming.
Welcoming. When people or places are welcoming, they are friendly and make you feel comfortable. They are happy to have you there.
I said they are usually very welcoming to new members. That means they are friendly and accepting.
Examples. This community is very welcoming to foreigners. She has a welcoming smile. The cafe has a welcoming atmosphere.
Great. Next phrase is at your own pace.
At your own pace. This means going as fast or as slow as you want, not rushing. Doing things at a speed that is comfortable for you.
I said you can go at your own pace. That means David can walk slowly or quickly, whatever feels right for him.
Examples. Learn English at your own pace. Do not worry, work at your own pace. This course lets you study at your own pace.
Next word is fitness.
Fitness. Fitness means being healthy and strong in your body. It is about exercise and physical health.
David said, I can start slow and build up my fitness. That means he will improve his physical health gradually.
Examples. She goes to the gym to improve her fitness. Walking is good for your fitness. My fitness level has improved since I started running.
Next word is discover.
Discover. To discover means to find something new or to learn about something for the first time.
I said, you will discover new places. That means David will find places he has not seen before.
Examples. I discovered a great coffee shop yesterday. She discovered a love for painting. They discovered a beautiful beach.
Next is trails.
Trails. Trails are paths or routes, usually in nature or parks. People walk or hike on trails.
David said, I still do not know all the parks and trails. He has not explored all the walking paths yet.
Examples. This trail goes through the forest. We hiked a mountain trail. The city has many bike trails.
Next is exercise.
Exercise. Exercise is physical activity that you do to stay healthy and strong, like walking, running, or playing sports.
I said, you get exercise, fresh air, social time. Exercise was one of the benefits of joining a walking group.
Examples. I exercise every morning. Swimming is my favorite exercise. The doctor said I need more exercise.
Last phrase is convinced me.
Convinced me. When someone convinces you, they make you believe something or agree to do something through their words.
David said, you have convinced me. That means my words made him decide to join a walking group.
Examples. She convinced me to try the new restaurant. He convinced his friend to learn English. Your idea has convinced me.
Wonderful. So those are the key words from our conversation. Did you understand them all?
Remember, it is okay if you need to listen again. That is part of learning.
Now we are going to practice pronunciation. We will say a phrase, then you repeat it out loud. Ready?
Let's start with some simple phrases. Listen and repeat after me. I have a hobby.
Good. Next one. Do you have any suggestions?
I like being outdoors.
That is a good idea.
I am a beginner.
You can go at your own pace.
I want to improve my fitness.
Let me know how it goes.
Great job, everyone. Now let's practice some full sentences from our conversation.
listen carefully and then repeat. I have been thinking about getting a new hobby.
What kind of activities do you enjoy?
Have you thought about joining a local sports club?
What sports would you recommend for a beginner?
They are usually very welcoming to new members.
I can start slow and build up my fitness.
You will discover new places in your city or town.
I will look for a walking group this weekend.
Excellent work. Your pronunciation is getting better every time you practice.
Now we will do something called shadowing. This helps you practice the rhythm and flow of English.
We will say the conversation again, but this time speak along with us at the same time. Try to match our speed and tone.
Do not worry about being perfect. Just try to follow along. Ready? Here we go.
Hey David, I have been thinking about getting a new hobby. Do you have any suggestions?
Oh, that sounds exciting. What kind of activities do you enjoy?
Well, I like being outdoors. I also enjoy meeting new people, but I don't want anything too expensive.
Have you thought about joining a local sports club? Many communities have free or cheap options.
That is a good idea. What sports would you recommend for a beginner?
Maybe try walking groups or cycling clubs. They're usually very welcoming to new members. Plus, you can go at your own pace.
I like that. Walking sounds perfect, actually. I can start slow and build up my fitness.
Exactly. And you know what else is great? You'll discover new places in your city or town.
That is true. I have lived here for 5 years, but I still don't know all the parks and trails.
See? Perfect. You get exercise, fresh air, social time, and you explore your area, all for free.
You have convinced me. I will look for a walking group this weekend.
Wonderful. Let me know how it goes. I might join you sometime.
That would be great. We can practice our English while we walk.
Now that is multitasking at its best.
Excellent work today, everyone. You did amazing.
You listened to a full conversation, you learned new vocabulary, you practiced pronunciation, and you did shadowing practice.
That is a lot of English practice in one session. You should be proud of yourself.
Now, I want to give you some important advice about learning English.
Yes, this is really important. Are you ready?
The secret to learning English is repetition. You need to hear things many times.
Exactly. Do not listen to this podcast just one time. Listen to it again tomorrow and again next week.
Every time you listen, you will understand more. Your brain needs to hear words and phrases multiple times to remember them.
Think about a song you love. The first time you heard it, did you remember all the words?
Probably not, but after hearing it 10 times, 20 times, you knew every word without trying.
English is the same. Repetition is your best friend.
So, here's your homework. Listen to this episode at least 3 more times this week.
And when you listen again, try to say the words along with us. Don't just listen passively.
Active listening is much more powerful than passive listening.
Also, try to use 1 or 2 new words from today in your own life. Maybe write a sentence with them.
And remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Some days you will feel like you are improving quickly. Other days will feel slow.
Both types of days are normal and okay. What matters is that you keep going. You keep practicing. You keep believing in yourself.
Because here's the truth. If you practice regularly, even just 15 or 20 minutes a day, you will improve. There is no question about it.
Your English will get better. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it will happen.
So, keep listening, keep practicing, keep believing.
We believe in you. We know you can do this.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We are so grateful to have you here.
Until next time, keep practicing your English, and remember, you are doing great.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.